This video introduces the initiatives of the PMDA Washington D.C. office in the United States. Based on its fifth midterm plan from 2024 to 2029, the PMDA has opened 2 overseas offices and begun strengthening its international contributions for the advancement of public health. In July 2024, the Asia office was established in Bangkok, Thailand, as the PMDA's first international hub. The Washington, D.C. office was established in November 2024 as the first base in the U.S. The office is located north of the White House in the heart of Washington, D.C., within walking distance of subway stations. The office space is equipped with a meeting room for visitors, making it both convenient and functional. The Washington, D.C. office has 2 missions as part of its international contributions for the improvement of public health. First, it serves as a bridge to facilitate communication between the PMDA and U.S. health agencies, such as the FDA. It also strengthens cooperation between Japan and the U.S. through more agile dialogue between the 2 countries' regulatory authorities on various regulatory issues throughout the entire life cycle of medical products. Second, the Washington, D.C. office expands opportunities for dialogue with stakeholders involved in medical product development to provide information on Japanese pharmaceutical regulations. It functions as a gateway for the PMDA Tokyo office, enabling U.S. companies to communicate with the PMDA in English without having to take into consideration time differences. On March 2025, the Washington, D.C. office launched a free general consultation service for Japanese companies and startups in the early development stage. From here on, some of the office's current activities will be introduced. First, activities in the field of oncology are touched on as an example of collaboration with the U.S. FDA. The PMDA has participated as an observer in Project Orbis, a joint review framework among the countries listed. Meanwhile, Project Nozomi functions as a foundational regulatory platform for strengthening Japan-U.S. collaboration in the field of cancer. Nozomi means hope, and is also the name of a Shinkansen bullet train that provides many passengers with swift and punctual intercity travel services. Serving as the PMDA's base in the U.S., the Washington, D.C. office helps facilitate communication for Japan-U.S. cooperation in the field of cancer by promoting visits by PMDA regulatory officials to the U.S. FDA. The Washington, D.C. office has also actively pursued networking activities in the U.S. This slide shows major healthcare industry hub areas in the U.S. We have visited industry associations based in Washington, D.C., and have also traveled to key healthcare industry hubs including Boston, New York, San Francisco, and San Diego. We have had the opportunity to meet with numerous experts driving innovation in the U.S. healthcare sector. This includes accelerators, the biotech venture community, venture capital firms, universities, and Japanese government-related organizations. Dialogue with experts developing advanced medical products has provided valuable insights into the latest trends in the U.S. healthcare industry and its drug discovery ecosystem. Perspectives gained through networking have offered insights into how to explain Japan's unique regulatory characteristics to U.S. companies in an easily understandable manner, and how to strengthen Japan's drug discovery ecosystem. Moving forward, the Washington, D.C. office will continue its networking activities. There is some concern in Japan about the issue of drug loss, whereby useful medical products available in the U.S. are not being developed and marketed in Japan. To identify the causes and explore solutions to drug loss issues in Japan, the Washington, D.C. office is continuously gathering input from stakeholders in the U.S. drug discovery ecosystem. Accelerators play a vital role in the drug discovery ecosystem by providing funding, mentorship, and scientific resources to transform promising early-stage academic research and startup ideas into practical drug candidates capable of attracting significant investment and partnerships with pharmaceutical companies. Through the office's outreach activities, it has become clear that accelerators contribute to the functioning of the drug discovery ecosystem in the U.S. Japan could potentially strengthen its drug discovery ecosystem by effectively establishing accelerator systems similar to those in the U.S. In March of 2025, we started to offer a general consultation service at our Washington, D.C. office. This service provides free consultations to U.S. companies without a base in Japan. The Washington, D.C. office provides information on regulations and procedures under the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Act, and also assists in preparing for consultations with review teams at the PMDA Tokyo office. Through our networking activities in the U.S., we have received requests from U.S. startups seeking Japanese regulatory information in order to help them decide whether to pursue development in Japan once their development prospects in the U.S. have become clear. The Washington, D.C. office will continue to listen to the voices of U.S. companies and strive to provide opportunities to realize science-based compassion. If you are interested, please access the information about our general consultation service and contact us using the QR code shown in this slide.